What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Edward, and on Instagram I go by Trail Ready Forerunner. Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over this TEQ Offroad under hood LED strip. Everything you need comes in the box, which is super awesome. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You get your accessories to tie down the cables, as well as this push release button, which will turn on the light when your hood is open and turn it off when it is closed. Bunch of zip ties, cable ties. This is the LED strip. It is in a waterproof housing, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet and mess up the connectors here. It has a quick release point here. And then this is the harness that it comes with. Super simple to install. This side goes to your LED strip. This side goes to your positive on either your battery, or if you have a fuse panel, this will go there. And then this goes into your release button. I'm not sure what this is called, but easy connection there. If you guys know what this is called, put it down below. Push release button? I don't know. Just a quick disclaimer, TEQ Offroad did send this over for a review. They did not pay me for this review, so it's going to be my honest opinion on their product. I tell all the companies that send me stuff that I'm going to give my honest review if I do or don't like it. So let's go install this thing. All right, first I'm going to start off with cleaning the area and prepping it so that the 3M tape can stick to it and it won't just peel off. All right, so what I'm using for this is just some stuff that I found in the garage, just some Simple Green, some alcohol. Last time I tried pronouncing this, I got roasted on, I think it was the heater video, my buddy heater video. Oh man, I butchered that one. All right, well, let me get it cleaned and ready. Speed it up. All right, so next we're gonna install the pin switch. Probably gonna need a marker. I mean, you don't really need one. It's smart to use a nail punch just so that when you're drilling into the car, it doesn't slip on you. I would start with a smaller drill bit and then go to the larger one, which is 5/16, which is needed for you to insert this guy in your vehicle. Your car probably isn't as beat up as mine. I was in an accident, so my shit is pretty beat. I'm gonna go ahead, mark the hole, and then punch it and then drill it out. But it has to be within this area, right about here. There's exact dimensions if you scan the QR code of where they place theirs. They say it doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna try to wing it and not be too exact to see if that is true. And if it is true, you have to be exact, I'll let you guys know. I am gonna use this cutting fluid. Metal bits are expensive, so I kind of want mine to last. All right, and the way we're gonna install this is take your pin switch and then take the lock washer and nut, and this goes in the bottom. I wanna get this thing semi-tight, so I'm gonna use a long socket with a wrench, put this underneath and try to just tighten it. I don't want it to come loose while off-roading with all the vibration. So let's see if this works. Now I'm just turning the wrench to get it snug. So I don't want to tap directly into my battery. I'm going to tap after this fuse. I don't have any more spots on my fuse panel up here. So we're going to go ahead and tap up here. And by tap, I mean take this nut off, put this on there to give it some power. Wife and kids are home. They're gonna be happy I'm leaving this in. All right, so now I'm gonna do the LED strip. The way I'm gonna do it is I measured half. I'm gonna put right in the middle is where the latch goes. So I'm gonna put it here, do one side, and then finish the rest off. And just make sure you put a little bit of pressure on it so that it sticks. Make sure positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. Clicks in. We could tie this stuff up a little bit later. But if I click the button, we got light. Nice. I'm actually really impressed on how much light it puts off. The sun is still out. It's about to be sunset. It's about 4:18 right now. So there's still light out, but that's really good light. That took a little bit longer than I thought. I mean, I was recording this video and trying to get different angles and shoot stuff, but it took about 48 minutes. I think you could cut that down by a lot. Let's wait till the sun goes down and I'll be right back. It's dark out. Now I can't turn off all the lights because then you won't be able to see me, but what I'll do is I'll turn off these back lights so you can kind of see how bright the LED strip is. All right, so there's still ambient light. The garage light is on, and then we have some like outdoor lights that I can't really turn off. But I set the ISO to about what my eye sees, and this is with the TEQ Offroad Underhood LED strip on. That's perfect. Like, you can see everything in here. Yeah, you can see it all. There's no like dark areas where the light strip isn't hitting. And the good thing is that the angle where I put it shines kind of back and down. And since the light strip isn't really directional, it's more of a floodlight, it lights up the whole engine bay. Like, yeah, you can see everything. If you put it on this first bump, you might be able to get more of this outside area, but it looks like the spill is pretty wide. I mean, you could see on the side, it's lighting up my wife's vehicle and this whole area here. So the spread is really nice. So I wanted to do pros and cons about this product, but honestly, it's really a stretch for both. Obviously, all it is an LED strip. It gives off plenty of light. The kit comes with everything you need. The only thing you actually need to put in to install it are the tools, which a lot of these things you should have already. It's plenty of light. I thought it was going to be a little not as bright as it is, which is a super plus for me. As far as cons go, I can't think of anything solid to ding it on. The one thing that I don't know if it's going to last or not is the adhesive, the 3M adhesive on the little zip ties, and then the actual LED strip. And the only reason why I'm bringing that up is because the engine bay does get really hot. So I don't know if it's going to affect the double-sided tape. I can't say yes or no. I just installed it, so I'll keep you guys updated if it does start peeling or coming off. And it would just be something that you guys would have to look out for. Other than that, I honestly can't ding it on anything else. I'm super surprised how well the harness looks. It looks super watertight. There's heat shrink on all the ends. It looked like they took their time in putting the harness together, which I really enjoy. I do like the fact that this is pretty much universal. You could throw it in, I think, almost any car. One thing I do really like is that the pin switch is really sensitive. So as soon as you pop the hood, it's already on. As you can see, I think. But yeah, once you open the hood, I was in the market for something similar. I normally just use like lights, but this is going to be super, super handy. I can see it already that I'm going to be using this light a lot, especially because I have my solar power cables here. So when I do pull out my foldable solar panel, if I need to set it up at night so that in the morning it's already collecting power, I'll have light. I can see where the connections are in the back, plug everything in, and then just hit the button. I normally sleep with the hood open if I have like the solar panels out, just for ease. I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think of the product. I'd be really interested to see if there's like anything that they can add to make it better. If there's a flaw in the system that you guys think they can improve, leave it down below. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts, but so far so good. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. I truly, truly appreciate it. If you've lasted this long and you're still here watching the video, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Dang, that's loud.